Okay, well, as we head into the evening, we'll continue to see more of the snow showers. Probably going to add up to around a half of an inch to an inch as we go throughout the remainder of the night, with another inch on the way for tomorrow. But not going to see any major accumulations with this system, but much cooler air does come in on the backside. Taking a look back at yesterday, well above average for this time of the year. 27 for your high with a low of 18 degrees. Records are at 53 back in the year of 1973 and at 30 below back in the year of 1963. So the high not too far off of our normal, only 5 degrees warmer, definitely not as warm as what it was back in the year 1973, but overnight lows haven't been too bad for us, but that might change as we get into tomorrow night, and we might be closer to that 4 degrees. But here's a look at your highs for today: 25 in Marquette, 29 in Munising, while at 28 down in Escanaba, lower 30s here in Ontonagon, and at 29 in Houghton. Winds currently coming in from the southwest, 10 in Houghton, while at 19 in Munising, 12 over in Escanaba, and at 16 in Ironwood. We'll continue to see more of this south-southwesterly flow throughout the night, but by tomorrow things will change. We'll see this wind shift out of the northwest, and that's what's going to bring in that cooler air mass that we will see throughout the afternoon. Wind chills will be closer to around the lower teens, just like what they were today because of all the winds, and then we'll see those numbers maybe even dip below zero heading into tomorrow night. But looking at your headlines, yes, another round of snow as we head into the evening. The scattered snow showers continue with a slight chance of seeing maybe an inch as we go into the afternoon, but it shouldn't be widespread 1 inch marks because it looks like most of the snow that will fall will be lake effect snow off of Lake Superior. But cooler days ahead of us as we go into tomorrow night and also into Friday. But heading into the weekend, we make a complete U-turn. We warm right back into those upper 30s by Saturday and Sunday before, well, falling back yet again on into next week as a larger system comes into the region, not only providing that cooler air mass, but also going to be finding a decent amount of moisture with it, bringing some snowfall. But here's a look at our setup for the time being. This system not quite as potent as the one we'll be expecting next week, but it is providing some light snows across the region, so making roads a bit slick out there, putting down the snow. Tomorrow, we'll see the cold front ease its way southward, allowing that cooler air to come in from the north. You can see well south of us will be rain, of course, down into northern Illinois, but we won't have to deal with any of that, at least with this system. Maybe a slight chance as we get into the afternoon or into the evening on Friday, as we'll have another disturbance come in from the southwest and from the north. It'll just miss us there, but you can do the jet stream moving northward, allowing that milder air to come in, so that will push our numbers above that freezing mark. And as we go into Friday night and on into the weekend, could be looking out for more of a rain snow mix as opposed to just all snow with that milder air in place. But looking at your FUTURECAST model, the snow continues to find its way off to the south and east. Behind it, yes, more of the scattered snow showers before that eventually tapers off by tomorrow night. We'll see partial clearing, but clouds come right back again with that next disturbance moving mostly to the north of our region, but you'll see that there will be some moisture, very light and very limited, that finds its way across the UP, and could even see a few raindrops mixed in with that at times. But that gets out of here, and as we head into the weekend, we'll have another opportunity of seeing some of that rain and snow. But for tonight, it should be all snow for us. 22 degrees, a bit breezy out there with winds out of the southwest between 10 to 15 miles per hour. The snow continues on as we head into Thursday. Winds out of the northwest between 10 to 20. Here, look at your highs at 25 in Lawrence, 25 in Ontonagon, at 28 in Iron Mountain, 31 in Escanaba, while at 30 degrees in Munising, and seeing more of those middle 20s here in Marquette. Starting off with those temperatures in those teens, and before topping off in the 20s by tomorrow afternoon. And looking at your 7-day forecast, the snow will be in place as we go into Thursday. Only a slight chance as we head into the evening on Friday, with highs in the lower 20s before numbers warm almost 20 degrees as we go into Saturday, up to 38. We'll see more of those above freezing temperatures by Sunday at 34 before behind that, that's when the cool off will come in. We'll see those numbers drop from the upper 30s down into the mid, maybe even perhaps the lower teens by next Wednesday, with lows also dropping down to those lower single digits. But what's not really being shown on the map, on the forecast right now, is that larger snow system that will be coming in around late Tuesday heading into Wednesday, bringing a lot of snow to the region. We'll continue to monitor that for you and give you all the latest, so definitely tune in each and every day.